Hey guys, Barry Potts here from MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. Today for sale we have a 2018 Sea Ray 250 SLX. Okay, beautiful boat, Sea Ray blue hull, red boot stripe, dune interior. Step up here, nice sun pad in the back. This boat does have the dune carpet. It's not in place right now, but it is in great shape. This has the power tower with blue canvas, okay? Powered by the 300 horsepower 6.2 Mercury. Dual captain's chairs that swivel, bolstered. This has the medallion screen, okay? Sizable head, pump out. You'll notice with the SLX series, you're gonna have leather wrapped handrails, beautiful leather upholstery, armrest, storage under all the seats, premium sound system, anchor locker, seating all the way around with a table that sits here as well. Again, guys, this is Barry with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. This is a 2018 Sea Ray 250 SLX. Have a great day.